Camera, lights, action. Ivan, what do you like for best food in the world?
Huh?
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
You like pizza? What type of pizza?
Hawaiian.
What's your favorite toppings on a pizza?
Something.
What might that something be?
Whatever comes on with it.
What's your least favorite food?
Fish.
Why might that be?
Because if I eat it, I don't really like it.
Very interesting. Very interesting. What's your middle food?
I have no idea.
Okay. What is your favorite color?
Red.
What is your least favorite color?
Pink. Purple.
Pink and purple. What one would you like the most out of those two?
Pink.
So purple is your least favorite color.
Yeah.
Why might that be?
I don't know.
Very interesting. Camera shy, aren't you?
Someone is taking out a picture.
This is not a picture, this is a video.
Huh?
Are you camera shy?
No.
Then why are you covering up your eyes? Nope. Right now it's just a video.
Okay.
What do you like to do the most?
Play.
What game?
I don't know, everything. Monopoly.
What is your favorite sport?
Football.
What is your least favorite sport?
Baseball.
Why is baseball your least favorite sport? And why is football your most favorite sport?
Because baseball, I did t-ball, and it was really good. You cannot, hits the ball. You can't tell, did not get who kicks the ball. And also, it's really confusing.
Why is football your most favorite sport?
Because you get to jam into people.
Like jamming out, man?
No.
Or like running, like boom.
It makes it fun. My brother does that.
What is your, if you gotta have a ticket, free ticket to a football game or a baseball game, which one would you go to?
The football game, and if I see Seahawks, I would definitely go. I would really go.
Okay.
But baseball, oh my god, it's scared to somebody else. I'll keep it until I want to go.
Well, who is your best friend?
Why do you need to know that? That's really awkward.
Who is your best friend?
Only I knows where I've been.
Okay, I'll say Dylan.
Well, if you didn't want to say, you could just say no comment. Okay. Do you like school? Do you hate school? And if any of those, what is your favorite subject in school except for recess? I meant like math or reading.
No comment. No comment.
Okay. Do you like school or do you hate school?
No comment.
Who was your favorite teacher?
I don't know.
So no comment?
No comment.
What is your favorite movie and what is your least favorite movie?
Now I need to go to Carol's and get
My favorite movie is Sweet Home Alabama.
Have you seen that movie?
Yes.
When did you see that movie?
My dad was like, when my dad was like at a meeting and me, mom,
Sorry about
me, you, mom, and Shannon were all here and I saw.
that. What is your least favorite movie?
Tilly, turn the thingy off. Holy crap. You step it over, she's that. I know because he was